Hi, this is Ray Davis with Fast Car Decals and Ray's Auto Trim. I wanted to shoot a real quick video on a couple of tips that maybe I wasn't real clear with the last video that I did for the Dodge Charger Tailband stripe. So I thought I'd shoot a couple minutes of video and show, because I have a lot of people, this is a real popular kit, and there's a couple of things that maybe I wasn't real clear about. So I just thought I'd shoot that this morning. This is the Dodge Charger Tailband kit. It's from the 2011 to current. And no, I take that back. Forgive me. It's 2015. Please forgive me. And to current. But you can get this. This one's going to have 392 written on the back. And we've seen that before. It's a knockoff of the factory kit. But the questions I keep asking is the alignment and how do you put it on first, and what do you put in first, because it does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. So just want to let you know that I am putting on a Avery Supreme Wrap satin black kit this morning with the 392 text, and I do the trunk lid first. One of the things I do is I line it up, and it fits almost perfect right up against the spoiler. I tape it in the middle, make sure it's equal on both sides. But also, if you notice, I got a piece of tape here, so I'm going to install this, leave that tape there. I'll probably just cut that like that, and what that does is it helps me align the next piece, because this next piece is actually going to go underneath the spoiler, and then I'll put the next piece on the bottom piece. But what this does is it helps me to install the deck lid, but it also helps me to line the next piece so that I'm not guessing when I get up here to install the side top pieces. So that's a couple of tricks. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use the hinge method, and I'm going to put it on this way. I do not recommend using the wet install vinyl on this particular kit. You can. It's going to take you a long time. This will be done in no time. But like I said, this is an Avery Supreme Wrap, and it is a dry install, and it's for the Dodge Charger Tailband stripe kit. And let me get this installed, and we'll see if we can find some other tips on making this an easy installation for you. Okay, got that installed, got the deck lid stripe installed. Now I am going to install the second and third piece on both sides. So let me go ahead and hit that button, pop that lid, and then you can see where I've left that tape stripe, and that lines it up so there's no guessing. So the next piece that goes on will go here, and I'll let that hang over the edge just a tad bit so that I can roll it over the edge. As you can see, that will go there. And then the third piece, the 392, it's kind of hard to do this with one hand. It will go there, and we'll have our 392. So this is probably the trickiest part, is getting that to line up. So that's a trick to get that done. Then the second hardest thing, I guess, is to get this 392 looking good. But just take your time, put it where it belongs, and just squeegee it out and work any bubbles you got out. Another question that I'm asked a lot is, what color do you think? There's two colors that I suggest on the Chargers that have the painted spoiler, or they have, like in this particular case, it has a hood that's been wrapped. Is the matte black is always a safe choice, but this particular one is satin black. I found satin black to be just almost closer to the factory spoiler color, but either will work. The shiny black just doesn't work. I mean, it'll work, I guess, but it doesn't match the spoiler as well. But those are a couple of things that I think will help with your installation, and maybe next time I can set up the tripod and film it. So thank you very much, and again, this is Ray with Fast Car Decals and Ray's Auto Trim. Please hit the subscribe button And as always, thank you for your suggestions on installs, and thank you for being part of our channel. And if you would like the video, and again, this is Fast Car Decals and Ray's Auto Trim.